Yoga is a proven and time-tested solution for healing your body and mind. This seemingly simple process of stretching your body, regulating your breath, and getting into a state of deep relaxation is known to address many physical and psychological ailments. Research data is also saying that yoga can not only heal the body and mind, but can also prevent many physical and psychological ailments. That is, if done correctly and regularly. But have you been unsure of where and how to begin? Are you looking for a reliable and trustworthy source to learn from? Would you like to avoid unnecessary commutes? Have you been looking for a committed setup to ensure regularity of your practice? How is all this possible all at once? I am excited at the collaboration of Munch and Mull with the Wellness Break that will introduce these possibilities in your lives. So, let me introduce you to Indian Navy veteran Commander Rajesh Janardhanan.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hello, Namaskaram. I am Commander Rajesh, that Sujata was mentioning about, the founder of the Wellness Break. Wellness Break is essentially a venture which I started, which offers a break from your regular mundane routine, which utilizes your vacation time, your few days or weekends that you take off, into a more productive and more rejuvenative time. We also conduct round the year online video yoga classes all over the world. We conduct group sessions, we have private individual sessions, we have yoga therapy for those who have specific issues and have been recommended by their physicians. So what are the ways in which one can learn yoga or practice yoga? You have your yoga studios where you can go face to face, you have your online classes, and then you have YouTube videos. There is no dearth of such videos. But in my opinion, while direct face to face studio-based yoga classes are the best, but when that is not possible, an online live class is the one which I would recommend. I would personally not recommend watching YouTube videos or reading books and trying to practice yogasanas or breathing exercises, because there are a lot of aspects which requires expert guidance, which is not possible when you watch a YouTube video or read a book and try to practice. So how does the online yoga modalities go about? One, before we get into any kind of a practice, I will personally have a one-on-one conversation with each of the practitioners to get to know their medical background, the kind of situation they're in, their current state of physical health, and any difficulties if they're facing, what prompted them to actually come to this yoga class. Why this is relevant and why this is so important is because specific medical conditions have certain restrictions. There are some things that should be done, some things shouldn't be done. So it is very essential to know these things, which again brings me to repeat why I wouldn't personally suggest to go blindly to a video on a YouTube or read from a book, because you need to know what you can and what you cannot do. So this conversation that happens before even the first session begins is to get these areas with absolute clarity, what you can, what you shouldn't do. And once this discussion is over, then we'll have a clear picture as to whether you can safely get into practice, or if you can't, then we will give you the advice accordingly as to what else can you do instead. For the online sessions, we offer 3 times a week sessions for morning and evening groups. Morning is at 5:30 for a duration of 1 hour, that is 5:30 to 6:30, and the evening is from 6:30 in the evening to 7:30 in the evening. These are group sessions. Those desirous of wanting a personal or a private session can also contact, depending upon the availability of slots and mutual convenience, that also can be arranged accordingly. One more word for people who want specific yoga therapy sessions. Provided you have your doctor's clearance, we can conduct these sessions also, but that will be limited by duration. Maybe 2 months, 3 months, whatever your doctor has advised. That also will be slotted at a convenient time, at which is both suitable for you as well as for me. But as far as the group sessions are concerned, that is a round the year affair 3 times a week. The timing, once again I repeat, is 5:30 to 6:30 in the morning and 6:30 to 7:30 in the evening, India time. If you watched this video so far, then I think my online yoga sessions will be of interest to you. So look below this video. In the description, you'll find the link to fill the form. Or otherwise, go to the Munch and Mull website, go to the health solutions and fill in the forms out there. There are some frequently asked questions very clearly enunciated in the website. Please go through it, and if you still have any more doubts, you can always contact us. So take your preventive step now. Don't wait for something terrible to befall you, and then it might be too late.
So remember that your health is your responsibility. But we at Munch and Mull and the Wellness Break, we are here to help you. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and fill that form given in the description box of this video. And the form is also available in the health solutions page of our Munch and Mull website.
And I'll see you on the other side. Inhale, left leg back. Holding the breath, right leg back. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale,